This iconic fast food favorite has been tantalizing taste buds for decades, thanks to its secret blend of herbs and spices and crispy, golden coating. But what goes on behind the scenes? Let's take a deep dive into every step of the process, from sourcing the finest ingredients to serving up that piping hot bucket of goodness. KFC's fried chicken isn't just a meal, it's a global phenomenon. With millions of pieces sold daily across over 145 countries, the process behind the scenes needs to be precise, efficient, and consistent. And trust us, it's no small feat. The story of KFC chicken starts long before it hits the fryer. It begins with the selection of top-quality hens, raised by trusted suppliers. KFC has stringent standards for its poultry, ensuring the birds are raised humanely and meet specific size and weight requirements. These hens are typically raised for about approximately 6 weeks and are fed a carefully balanced diet. This mix of grains, vitamins, and minerals not only ensures healthy growth but also enhances the flavor and texture of the meat. Throughout this stage, regular farm inspections and feed quality checks ensure consistency and quality. It's all about laying the groundwork for that tender, juicy chicken we all love. Once the hens reach the ideal size, they're transported to processing facilities in temperature-controlled vehicles. This ensures freshness and prevents bacterial growth during transit. The journey is timed carefully to minimize stress on the birds. Upon arrival at the processing facility, the birds are humanely slaughtered as part of the process. This step is carried out following strict animal welfare guidelines, ensuring minimal stress and swift processing. After slaughter, the chickens go through a meticulous cleaning and preparation process. They're washed in a series of water baths and high-pressure sprays that remove dirt, feathers, and any potential contaminants. Every step is monitored closely to meet food safety standards. The result? Spotlessly clean chickens ready for the next stage. After cleaning, the chickens are plucked using specialized machinery equipped with soft rubber fingers that gently remove feathers without damaging the skin. This step is vital since the skin plays a big role in creating that crispy coating. Next comes evisceration, where skilled workers use specialized tools to carefully remove internal organs while avoiding contamination. The chickens are then rinsed thoroughly, ensuring they're ready for cutting. This is where the magic of portioning happens. Automated machinery and skilled workers divide each chicken into familiar pieces like breasts, wings, thighs, and drumsticks. Precision is key here, as uniformity ensures consistent cooking and presentation. Now we're getting to the secret sauce, or in this case, the marinade. This step is where KFC's famous flavor starts to develop. The chicken pieces are submerged in a specially formulated marinade that tenderizes the meat and locks in moisture. This blend of herbs, spices, and other ingredients is a closely guarded secret, but it's believed to include salt, black pepper, and various aromatic spices. The marination process lasts several hours, allowing the flavors to deeply infuse the meat. The chicken is kept at a controlled temperature during this time to ensure food safety. Large stainless steel vats with built-in agitators gently move the pieces, ensuring every bite is packed with flavor. After marination, it's time for breading, the step that gives KFC its signature crispy coating. The process starts with dipping the chicken pieces in a mixture of milk and egg, which helps the dry breading stick. The pieces are then rolled in a seasoned flour mixture that includes the famous 11 herbs and spices. While the exact recipe is a well-kept secret, we know it's what sets KFC apart. Skilled workers ensure every piece is evenly coated, using a specific technique to press and roll the chicken in the breading. This hands-on approach guarantees that each bite has that perfect crunch. Once breaded, the chicken is ready for frying. KFC uses specialized pressure fryers that cook the chicken faster than traditional methods while sealing in moisture. This method creates the iconic crispy exterior and juicy interior. The exact frying time and temperature are top secret, but it's known that each batch is monitored carefully to ensure consistency. The oil is filtered and replaced regularly to maintain flavor quality. After frying, the chicken is drained to remove excess oil and inspected for appearance, texture, and doneness. Once cooked, the chicken is held at a safe temperature until it's ready to be served. Whether it's packed in a family bucket or an individual meal box, KFC's packaging is designed to keep the chicken warm and crispy. During peak hours, multiple batches are cooked continuously to meet demand. Incredibly, a busy restaurant can serve over 300 pieces of chicken per hour. This efficiency is a testament to KFC's streamlined production process. KFC's fried chicken isn't just food, it's a cultural icon. In Japan, it's a Christmas tradition, while in China, KFC is the largest fast food chain. The brand has adapted its menu to suit local tastes while maintaining its core identity, making it a favorite in over 145 countries. From sourcing high-quality chickens to the final product served hot and fresh, KFC's meticulous attention to detail is what sets it apart. The combination of traditional methods, modern technology, and unwavering quality control ensures that every bite delivers the flavor and texture fans have come to expect. So next time you sink your teeth into a crispy piece of KFC chicken, you'll know just how much care and effort went into making it. If you enjoyed learning about the process, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more fascinating food production content.